everyone, welcome to Engineering Drawing and Design Studio Laboratory. In this video, I will tell you about Pre-Module 3.1 Essentials Drawing. In this pre-module, I will explain how to make title block in Autodesk Inventor 2024. First, we open Inventor 2024 and then select the New button. It will display some of option and measurement standard of each type file, and then we choose the drawing section by scroll down your mouse wheel, and we'll find the drawing section, and we choose iso.idw, and remember it must be iso.idw, and then we can create. It will display like this. And what we have to do is delete ISO and default border by right click on it, choose delete, default border, right click, delete. Next step is we have to make sure that the paper size that we use is A3 by right click on the sheet 1, edit sheet, and the size, it must be A3. Orientation must be landscape. After everything is done, we can choose OK. Next step is we move to the Manage and choose Styles Editor. For the units and linear, it must be millimeters. After that, we can move to View Preferences. So the section thread end must be full, and the circle thread edge it must be partial, and the projection type it must be third angle. After everything is done, we can save and close by left click on it. Now we can make the Telecom University title block by expand drawing resources and click on the plus symbol, and we expand the borders and title blocks by left click on the borders, left click on title blocks. After everything is done, we can right click on borders and define new border. Okay, and we choose rectangle, draw some rectangle, anything you want, left click and right click, then OK. Next is use dimension, choose this line and this edge, left click and then type 10, the same as the right one and the bottom one. For the left one, it must be 20 millimeters. After everything is set, we can finish sketch. And we can name it new module. Okay, after everything is set, we can save. And the next step is we can right click on the title blocks and then define new title block, left click. We have to make rectangle 184 for the width, and the length is 25. Okay, after that we can do rectangle again on the corner left, then choose 184 and 15. Okay, everything is set. You can look at the default border in here and do the same as me. So everything is set. We can drag this one outside the border. Next is we write down or we make the projection that we need. We can delete the line. We can just delete this. To make the rectangle, we can just do this. To help us make it easier, we can choose line in here and we can trigger on the edge of the small circle. We left click, drag until go to the rectangle, click, then we click again to the corner. The same as the bottom one. We can use the trim tools by click on it and then trim this. We can just left click first, or we can drag this one by hold your left click and go like this. If something problems, it'll appear like this. We have to delete dimension here. After that, we can trim them. Everything is set. Then we make the center line. After everything is set, we can delete the dimension by right click on the dimension, not the line. And click. Okay, everything is set and finished. And then we can go finish sketch. Then save. If we want to put our borders, we can right click on the borders, insert, and title block, right click, insert. It will display like this. If we want to edit, we can right click on the pre-module in title blocks, and then we can go edit. You can change between scale, measurements, date, or etc. This example, if we want to scale 1 to 4, we can click OK and then finish sketch. Then yes, we'll go with 1 divided by 4. If we want to use this drawing source or the title blocks in another sheet, we can go right click on drawing resources. We can go copy, go home, new, make a new format. Don't forget to delete this one and this one. After that, we can right click on drawing resources and then paste, and then click replace, then OK. So the border is here and the title block is here. The same as before, we can go insert and insert. And lastly, if you want to convert your IDW file into a PDF file, you can choose the file button here, click it, and then go to export and click the PDF. You can save it. And if you open your PDF file, it will appear like this. That's it from me. My apologies if there are any misspoken or mispronounced. Keep your spirits up and see you in module 3.1.